Hello guys, it's Dr. Fix. Today I'm going to be showing you where the battery location of ML2000 and ML350 2013 model battery location and how to remove it, because I know right now most of you who have the original battery currently are going to be queuing up to replace the battery. If you haven't done that, maybe for 2014, I'm certain it's going to be the same thing. GLE ML350 is going to be the same location, and the location is going to be right here. And this location is, you see the driver's seat right there and the passenger seat. And how to be able to remove it, to change it, you first of all have to use this button right here. You have to hold this button and move it and shift it forward with the ignition on. You can probably start the car so that it doesn't run down the battery while you're doing that, though in as much as the original battery is equipped. Moving these seats to here, closer to the front footrest, it's not gonna discharge the whole battery. So with that said, when you use this and it shifts and get just bare close like this, that's the gap between the seat, then you are done. And okay, the next thing you want to do, which is the main thing here, so the first step here, this one is here. There's two tabs here. You press this tab, you press this tab, you pull it up. Press this tab, press this tab, pull it up. This is how it should be right here. You get it in there. Okay, that's how it is supposed to be. Alright. So that's it there. So this return clip, you pull it here, pull it here, and drag it out. And there is another one that should be up here. Should be facing like this for the AC ventilation. Like this. Sorry. No, not like that. It's actually like this. That comes on top on the last one. So that's the first thing you should be removing before any other thing. When you remove this one, remember this one also. So this is the first setup here. You remove this, then you remove this by just simply, let me show you, by simply grabbing here, you pull it, get it out. Then remember how I told you that you're gonna get this one out by the return clip. Get it out before you start loosening the battery terminal. But before then, you want to make sure that the seats go front, so you can give your leverage. You can see the distance it is almost a foot from the center console edge. Okay, the first procedure I'm gonna be doing here is on the negative terminal here. There is IBS sensor. If yours is equipped with intelligent battery sensor like this one here, so you need a 10mm socket to slack this one, lose it anti-clockwise. Then when you lose it, you keep it one side. Then the other one is going to be the positive terminal that is there. It's not going to be easy accessible because this rug here won't give you a chance, and they didn't cut it completely. But should you choose to cut it yourself, I think that would have been making it easier if you cut it like this. I think that is seemingly what I intend you to do. You cut it like this, then it makes the whole process easier. Then after doing that, you're gonna be needing a ½ inch, a ¼ inch ratchet with 10mm socket right here, and stick your hand right in there and torque it anti-clockwise. When you finish torquing it, you remove it. So the first one you should remove is the negative one here, which is connected to the ground, and this IBS sensor. Then the second one, you get that one disconnected right there. There is a battery ventilated a hose which you need to pull from the side of the battery when you're trying to drop it. Then when you get that uninstalled, you're gonna be needing a 30mm socket, 30mm socket, and a 3/4, sorry, 3/8. You're gonna be needing something long like this to be able to get it loosened down. There is a bracket that is holding it down there. Without losing that bracket, it's gonna be really tight. So if you don't have a longer one, you're gonna get a longer one that will be this long. That will be just okay. 30mm socket, you lose it out. When you lose it out, there are two of them there, one here on the left and one on the right. So when you lose it out, like see this one here, this is the right position where it's supposed to be. When you lose it out, you take this one out, then that is when you can, it's gonna be really heavy to lift it out. When you start lifting it out, you're gonna place the first foot leg here of the battery, then the other one, then you can drag it up, find something to bar here, to find maybe like a flat combination to bar here before you pull it out of this very place here. Use the same procedure to install it back when you're done. I think this process is going to be applicable to ML, other ML and GLE Mercedes. Okay, there is one last thing which I want to tell you. After disconnecting the positive terminal and you want to draw it out, you might want to need a second hand, because it's really gonna be difficult, because that battery is damn heavy, in as much as it's a GM battery that is there. Then as for the bracket right there, when you're trying to put it back, it has orientation. The side that has a curvy edge face the wall, the side that is smoother, that is straight, as you can see it right there, that is smooth, is the actual side there that is actually holding the battery down. If you missed the orientation, it can't go in there, so you're gonna flip it the other way around. And once you get in the battery, it's gonna be too tight for your hands to get in there, so you might want to be needing a magnet to be able to get that 13 uh 13 knots down there. But if without it, if without magnet, it's gonna be really hard, seriously hard. So you're gonna be near a second hand, because it's gonna be really heavy to pull out from there. If suppose you didn't cut the, even if you cut the rug. So I hope you find this very helpful. If you do, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Catch you guys later. Bye for now.